Hi, Professor. It's me. It's Nicole McLeod. Getting ready to do the sheep heart dissection. Got everything prepared. I've got my apron on. Got my goggles here. Don't worry, they are here. Got all my supplies. I've got my notes. I have taken the heart out of the package, washed it off, rinsed it off, and patted it dry, but it is extremely hard. I'm thinking because it's been in a, Ziploc or compressed package for such a long time and being kept in the refrigerator, maybe it's just really cold. So I'm just going to try to let this, I'm going to pull it apart, see what I can do. We'll get this dissection started, and I'm going to point my screen down so you can see what I'm doing. Hopefully we've got a decent view of what I'm doing here and you can see. So let me read some instructions and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and I'm noticed everything. I've got a few of the, see, I've got the aorta here, got the brachial artery, brachiocephalic up here, I believe. Pulmonary veins. The pulmonary artery, I believe, is right here, or right here. The left ventricle, right ventricle. So let's see. It says here, locate the left side of the heart. Use the scalpel. The left side of the heart.
Right.
Don't know if I'm doing this right. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this in here, but we can see the chordae tendons. Here's the left ventricle wall, the left ventricle, the papillary muscles down in here. I don't know if you can see those. Aorta is way up here still. And the bicuspid valve right here. I'm assuming that's what that is. Okay, I'm going to take a picture and I will be back. Okay, so now we've cut open the right ventricle, and as you can see, if you can see in here, I've traced the opening of the right ventricle toward the pulmonary artery. I think I cut just maybe a little too deep on this one. You can still see the chordae tendons, the papillary muscles in here. Very intriguing, I do have to say, though. So I'm going to get ready to clean up and get ready to start labeling some photos. And hopefully you liked my video this week, and I will see you next week. So have a really good afternoon and have a good weekend, and I am out.